Guys, Crazy VR here today. I'm bringing you guys some solar domination. I almost said team deathmatch. Yeah, today it's just solo. Yeah. Playing at this angle is actually really awkward for me because I have my keyboard right here, which I mean I'm used to using it. Perfect. This game just started.
Domination. Capture. Losing Alpha. We lost A. Enemy UAV online. We lost A.
So. This gun it's the KF5 Spanner. It's a longer range gun, so it's not really meant for running gun. It's meant for like locking down the area. Like look at that.
Securing B.
Like this gun is so long range. It's actually really good though. Like I'm just cross-referencing kids into it.
Friendly UAV above. Enemy taking cargo.
There.
Enemy taking C. Alpha secure. We lost C. Friendly UAV above. As UAV is waiting.
Oh.
Our UAV is online.
Yesterday's video, the Paladin, the triple Paladin, with I went 35-3. That was probably one of my best gameplays of all time. Not just on AW, and not just that I've posted. Probably one up there for one of my best gameplays of all time. Because I also got streaks and stuff. My best gameplay of all time is my 39-3 on Detroit. That's my best gameplay on this game. Because that was all, I think that was mostly gun kills. That was on my old channel though, so you guys may not know what I'm talking about if you're new.
Losing Alpha. We lost Alpha.
There we go. Alright.
Bombing run ready for orders. We lost Alpha. Launching care package. Friendly UAV
Damn
above.
it.
Charlie
Oh,
secure.
shit.
Our UAV is online. Friendly bombing run in.
Forgot about that glitch. I think it's gonna drop right under spawn. You make the quickest spawn. 3 kills with that, nice.
Securing A. Losing C. A secure. Losing Charlie.
I'm already really close to my UAV again. I haven't even gotten a kill this late.
Enemy has
So
C.
I'm saving that because we already have a UAV out. Let's see.
Securing C. Losing A. We lost Alpha. C secure. Enemy UAV above. Bombing run ready for orders. Enemy has Alpha. Friendly UAV above. Friendly bombing run in. Winning this.
That's really just to cover my ass. Okay, so now there's not really much coming.
Securing
I
Alpha.
went out looking towards my spawn. That probably wasn't the smartest idea.
Alpha secure. Friendly
I
UAV above.
accidentally hit the
Losing
scoreboard instead of checking and instead of turning off
We lost B.
my nice overclock.
Enemy
So
has Charlie. Bravo secure. UAV in waiting. Securing C.
and that's for next time. perfect.
C secure. Enemy taking A.
Damn. Alright, not too bad for the first half. Let's see. 20 and 6. Even better than 20 and 8. I've never seen people use the steel bite with suppressor. That's actually some interesting attachments. I think it's just quick draw, suppressor, and extended mags.
Capture and defend the flags. Securing C. System hack. Enemy HUDs have been disabled. UAV is online. Charlie, secure. We've taken the advantage. We lost Alpha. Care package.
Why did they just double system hack?
System hack. Enemy HUDs have been securing B.
Ooh.
Paladin, ready on your order.
Oh, nice pal. I didn't even notice.
Friendly XS-1 Vulcan.
Make sure I stay alive,
Securing
though.
Alpha. Friendly bombing run incoming. Alpha secure. Our UAV is online. Friendly assault drone in action. Losing Charlie. We lost C. System hack. Enemy HUDs have been disabled. UAV recon standing by. Enemy has Charlie. Our UAV is online. Friendly bombing run incoming. Securing Charlie.
Just run around on that side.
C secure. Enemy taking Alpha. Friendly assault drone in action. We lost A. Securing Alpha. Bombing run ready for action.
Ooh. Alright, I finally got him.
Paladin dropping in.
Damn it, that's not one of the press, but it will. That'll work too.
Enemy taking C.
Taking C.
We lost C. Alpha secure.
Man, they're taking C. Oh, I didn't even notice there's more on there.
Enemy has Charlie.
I haven't died yet? What?
They're hurting.
Sorry, teammate, for letting that kid kill you. Not really my fault, though. I didn't see him.
Securing C.
There. Nice. Alright, that's gonna flip the spawn right
Charlie
there.
secure.
Nice.
Losing A.
Looks like I got 5 kills.
Friendly bombing run incoming. We lost Alpha. Enemy has A. Enemy
I'm loading
UAV
again.
online. Securing Alpha. Losing C.
My friends get so mad when I use bombing arms and stuff because it shakes their whole screen and stuff. Which I think it should only shake your screen when it's new.
Enemy has Charlie.
Man.
Bombing run incoming.
32 and 8. I'm quadruple positive. Nice.
Securing C.
And I don't know if I said this, but this is actually my first game, only like my 3rd game today. First game on in this gaming session, so I didn't even have time to get my shot on. Like I haven't played in like 4 hours, so my shot should be off, but it's pretty on for the most part.
Losing Bravo.
Okay, I was gonna say if I killed that kid, that would be sad. I hate how it doesn't highlight my name. Like, I don't know what I'm saying. Alright, well, thank you guys so much for watching. Comment, like, subscribe. Follow me on Twitter, down in the description below. I went 32 and 9 in a live com on my first attempt. So yeah. But thanks again. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. And yeah, I'll let you see the final scorecard. Alright, there it is. So see ya.